All right, so what we're going to do now is the next step. The next step is asking us to create a calculated field. Creating a calculated field in Microsoft Access allows us to do calculations just as we would in Excel. So our current calculated field, they're asking us to name it case cost. So what we're going to be calculating, it says provide a listing of case judges, the short description, country of origin, and type of case. This should also include cases which were judged with 2 or more judges and lasted for more than 2 days. Note, case cost is the total cost, which is administration fee plus a $500 stipend paid to each judge per day. We're supposed to save that as case cost. First thing, we have to create the calculated field case costs, and we're going to be calculating the administration fee times the days by 500. All right, so let's begin. You have to create a new query because that's what they're asking us to create. So we go to query design, and we're going to add cases, and we're going to add judges. All right, close that. Now let's see what we have to put in. They said provide listing of case judges. So first things first, I'm going to go here. I'm going to provide them with a listing of case judges. Okay, we could use their judges ID, but since it's a listing of the case judges, what we're going to do, we're going to put down the judge's name, and then we're going to go to the next one. I'm going to say the types of cases. I believe that's what they asked for. Short description, types of case. So we have to look for short description. Sorry, let's change that to short description. Do we have any type of case description? Short description right there. And then we have country of origin. It's coming from the cases table. Country of origin right here. Also they're asking for the type of case. So we have to look for the type of case that they want. So next is the type of case. We look in cases, we see type of case. So now we have the judge's name. Could have added the judge's ID, but I chose not to. So we have the judge's name. You can choose to add in the judge's ID, as that will show a significant difference to what I'm doing. And you want to be more complete than me, as I'm just showing you an example. So we have the judge's name, short description, country of origin, types of cases. This should also include cases which were judged with 2 or more judges and lasted for more than 2 days. And then we have to do our case costs. One moment. Come back here. So case costs. Case costs is the calculated field, right? But we can't do case costs without something else. We need something from it. We need to have administration fee, and we need to have stipend, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to add in administration fee, and then we have to add in stipend. All right. So those two are going to be together, administration fee and stipend. And now we can calculate case cost in here. So it's going to be case, C-A-S-E space C-O-S-T. And now we're creating the calculated field. Now what we're doing right here is that we're going to use a semicolon, and then we're going to use the squared brackets, right? We're using the squared brackets, and it's asking us to calculate administration fee plus the stipend, right? Stipend per day. But for now, I'm going to show you a shortened version. I'll put out another version of this afterwards. That's going to go a little further. But I'm just showing you the introduction of how to create this calculated field. There's a few more steps we're going to take, but for this one, I'm just going to show you a simple calculation. All right, so it's administration fee plus stipend pay teach. Okay, so I'll come back here. So first thing we're going to put inside here is the administration fee. So I have to type that in. Administration fee. It should be spelled the same. Both of them should be spelled the same, so that Access understands that that is what it's looking at. Now, I'm going to use the square brackets again to close that, and then I'm going to use the plus sign, right? So now administration fee plus, and it says stipend amount. So to get stipend amount, open another square bracket. I'm going to type in stipend amount. ST. Oh, pressed the wrong. STIPEND. Stipend space AMOUNT. Stipend amount. And we have a square bracket. And there we have it. So now we have our calculated field. So we're going to run it. So as I said before, what's going to happen later on, we have to be more specific. This is just to show you how to create the calculated field. If you notice, 30,000 here plus 33 gives you 33,000, right? It's doing all the calculations in case cost. So what we're going to do next, we're going to get more specific because it asked us for judges with 2 or more cases for a specific set of dates. So we're going to get more specific in the next example.